You ain't missed nothing. Nah, I'm finna do a Dorito pie. I ain't gonna get no Frito. Yeah, I want my nachos with everything. I want the onions there. Hey, look out. I want some Dorito nachos. Oh, they fuck around. Don't even got no Doritos, boy. To piss me off. Oh, I see a bag back there. Yeah. And the other dude that's saying he want to see some racing. You can just go on my YouTube channel and rewind. Yeah, go on there and rewind. Whatever car up there, I already got him once. You didn't see what he could do. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, he making a solo pass. Oh, and he backfired. You probably did want to see that part. Hey, sweetie. She talking to you. She don't got no chain.
I do not have change, so take it up.
Girl, I got some money, miss. Okay. Okay.
Baby, you ordered nachos? I'll be out in 1 second.
I want some nachos too, miss. I want some Dorito nachos though.
Okay, you want yours made with
Doritos, no Fritos. Okay. All right, miss. Yeah, I want it like how you did his, but with Doritos, they looking good, man. Okay. She said she's gonna be right there. Huh? Yeah, I want it loaded. I want like how he just did. Doritos. The regular Doritos. Let me see what, oh yeah. Yeah, the regular Doritos, man. All right. Yeah, I'll probably still do one taco later on, y'all. Oh yeah, I probably could, and then put that meat off inside my nacho. Oh yeah, I done thought of a good idea now. Truck ran them down, y'all. Hey, Jackie girl. We got Jackie in the check. Look out, look out. We got Jackie in the chat. I need some goddamn, wait a minute. I got congratulations again. I really appreciate it, man. Got the lookout, cookout going. I need to do a lookout, cookout. Hey, y'all on my YouTube channel? You on my channel? You on there? Y'all on my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing? Yeah, it's going down. Hold on, let me get you a sticker or something, man. Let you see what we working with. Look. Yeah, heard me. Y'all check that out. You want one too, right? Okay, she gonna take yours. Okay, bet. There you go, miss. Okay, y'all check out that. That's my YouTube channel. Lookout Racing. It's going down. I got all the video from all day. Yeah, and I got all the other videos. You want to put your shout out in, man, or something? You need some more followers? Okay, there you go. Go on, put your shout out in, girl. We listen. Okay, 8.mm. Y'all heard the rest. I can bear. 8. They said small block or big block.
Oh, y'all should jump it.
Yeah. Small block or big. What is it? Big block or small block? Big block. What about you? She don't know nothing about that. Look, we gonna say small block then. Small block. He say my shit jumping. It is. How you can tell? Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. She didn't want all y'all to know. She over there subscribing right now, y'all. What I need? Some corn. Oh yeah, she get my shit ready. Oh no, it ain't. She doing all girls first. Let's see something. Hey, you on my YouTube channel? Lookout Racing. Yeah, Lookout Racing. Sígueme en mi canal. Oh, she don't know? Look, let me write her in there for you. Lookout. Holla. Lookout Racing. Look, wait a minute. Then I'm finna, I gotta get you suscríbete. Notifications es todo. Yeah. She on there now, y'all. Hey, get it. Yeah. Shake it. We at Yello Belly. She about to shake it. Shake it real good. Small block. Ooh, yeah. Small block. Got some kilowatts. Hey, that's the jam. Thank you, miss. Thank you for subscribing, miss. I appreciate it. Hey, yeah. Let me see. She's still getting it now. Hey, shake it. Get it. Shake it fast. Okay. Yeah, this Yello Belly. Y'all check out my